It is the AI gold rush, and it's never been easier to make money with AI than right now. And one of the easiest solutions to still sell to businesses is voice AI agents, because voice AI agents, number one, plugs into any infrastructure because businesses have phones. Businesses don't work 24/7. So these voice AI agents solves a very critical business problem that will bring them in more money and save them time. And it's a critical selling point. Plus, you can add extra products with that. Plus, you can really add a ROI calculator in it to have a visual example how one simple, cheap voice AI agent can bring them in a bunch of extra money every month. Now, it's never been easier to create voice AI agents with Go Highlevel because of the awesome templates in there. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. We're going to go for a full example, and you're going to see in just a couple of clicks how you can have a voice AI agent that's specific to a business, so you can send them a sample number to try before they buy. And these are all really critical things in your sales process: return on income, solving problems, try before you buy it. And these are the kind of things that actually convert. So not only an awesome product, I'm also going to show you how to have an actual really personalized converting product and sample. So if you don't have a Highlevel account, you can either check the link below or join the AI agency mentorship program. I give you unlimited Highlevel accounts for you and your business, so you don't have that big overhead to go have a Highlevel $500 a month subscription, for example. But all you need is a Highlevel account. And don't let anyone tell you these techniques that work. They do. And then what I'm talking about is the Google Maps technique. Why won't you use anything else? This is riddled with business details. You can see how business are doing on here by just simply looking at their review, at their website, and at their Google business listing. Now, we don't want those brand new fresh businesses because they probably don't have a set budget. And the second thing we don't want that top tier performer, because most likely they have actual systems in place, or they might have gatekeepers and so on. So we're looking for businesses, when you come in here, with low to medium type of reviews and that has a website. Now, we're not going to sell websites. If they don't have a website, awesome. If they have a bad looking website, even better, because we can upsell them on those things. But we're looking for a business with a website. The reason is the website is going to be our information that we're going to create this really cool voice AI agent with. So find a business, the business you're going to target, and we're going to create a demo for them. And once you have it, we're going to open up their website, just leave it up in there, and we're going to open up a ChatGPT. And I'm going to show you just how insanely easy this is. So once we have all those things set up, you're going to come to your Highlevel account. Again, unlimited free Highlevel accounts. And we're going to create one of the templates that's already in the marketplace for free. It's brought to you by Michael Ryder. It's a total awesome guy. Make sure you go check out his YouTube channel. And all you have to do is look up CRM Pros YouTube, and it's in here. It's got some really cool stuff. But he's created all these voice AI prompts for us to use. Super cool, super easy. Literally all you've done is you've done a couple of clicks, you've created an account, you've looked for a couple of businesses. Now we're just going to create an awesome demo, and I'm going to show you how easy it is for it. So browse by marketplace, and I'm going to go and look for your agent. I'm going to look for a roofing agent. I'm just going to hit roofing in there, and I just need to move my face a little bit in here. And we can see roof cleaning services, metal roof insulations. They're all in here. Just matter whichever one you want. It kind of resembles what we have found in our business. So for this one, I'm going to say metal roof insulation services. I'm going to hit that one in there. And it takes a couple of seconds to load. Once I have that in here, it's just the install button within the side, and we'll have the permission in here, install it really quickly and easy. Now, if you don't have your agency access, that's all right as well. Hit me up if you're on with me, but you can see in here, I'll have a list of actual voice AI agents, pre-made prompts ready and loaded within your account. So all I have to do is I just have to select this one. and it's going to load it up for us. Now, just need to blank my numbers out there for a little bit. It's going to scroll down, and here we go, middle roof insulation services. I'm going to click on that one, and it's going to load it up for us. Now, how do we make this a really personalized message? Super easy again. So move this over here. You can change all this out if you want. If obviously we want to listen to a kind of a voice in here.
Hey, Worldly 11 Labs friend.
Now, got Australia. Guess what? There is Australian accents. Sample in here. I think Pauline's pretty good.
Relax on the pristine.
Had that one. We're going to select Pauline, Australian sounding voice, make it native to the country. So have that bits in there, hit the save button in here, and we are getting there. You are 80% done. Now, in here, really cool. This is all done out by Michael for us. So all we really have to do, and you don't have to do anything from in here, we're going to hit the in here, we're going to copy in this. Select it all like that. And I'm going to come to ChatGPT, and I'm going to say, I want you to take this voice AI prompt. It is a sample prompt, and fill it in specific for my business. Don't change the prompt structure or outlay. Keep it specific. Just change the business details, and I'm going to put my prompt in here, and just going to scroll, make sure we scroll down. And I always like to do this. I come from here, and I'm going to say end of prompt, and I'm going to say this is my business details to use. And now all I'm going to do in here, I'm going to just hit Control A. Now, when you do this, be a little bit more specific and copy and paste this over properly. But I just want to show you how actual easy it is. I'm going to keep pasting that in there. And we're going to come back and then go to services, roof repairs, copy that. And I'm just going to keep pasting stuff in here for us. Paste that one in there. And middle roof repairs. Guess what? Control A, copy. Now, GPT-5, still really good. Massive context window, so that's all good. If you're going to have a bigger website, you can use something like Gemini. So I'm just going to go through these quickly as we can. I'm going to show you last one, roof painters. Paste that in there. We're going to go for roof inspection. Copy that. Paste that. And we are going to go through the south side, north side of Brisbane. Copy that in there. And it's going to hit the send. You get the idea, right? Really easy. We're going to let ChatGPT take the prompt and we're going to fix it up for us. So scroll down. Here's our voice AI prompt. And it's just going to be the very same for us. So we're just going to give that a second to load. We're just going to pause this while it writes it out. All right, so just like that, it's really done. It's quite a long prompt, and we might need to trim it up a little bit, but that's all right. You got the critical steps in here. So I'm going to come through in here. I'm going to copy all this. See how it's got the numbers, the names, emergency calls 000, which is Australian specific. We're going to come through. We're going to come back to our voice AI agent. We're going to Control A, delete this, paste that in there, and oh, it says emojis not allowed. So I need to go through and delete all those. Oh, was that the only emoji that we have? End of prompt. So that's it, right? Now what you can and what you should do is do the evaluation part. Really new step in there for high level. We don't need that right now. I'm just going to hit the save in here. Now, let me go test this. Let's go see how well this actually works. Scroll in there, you can edit all these. Nice, the workflow, we don't need all that. And we're gonna bring up my phone over here. Let me type in my number and see what happens. So let's give it a second to ring. Which is hopefully calling us. And here we go.
Hello, you have reached Roof Repairs Brisbane. How can I help you today?
Oh, hello. Just wondering what sort of services you offer.
Sure. At the Brisbane Roof Repairs, we offer a range of services to keep your roof in top shape. Here's a quick overview. 1. Roof repairs. The tiled and metal roof, starting from $399. 2. Roof leak repairs. Detecting and fixing leaks, starting from $299. 3. Metal roof repairs.
So I just got a quick question, actually. I just have a quick question. So I got a metal roof and I just need someone to come over and do an inspection on the roof and give me a bit of a report. Is that something you guys do?
Absolutely. We can help with that. We offer a free, no obligation roof inspection, which includes a detailed report and a quote if any repairs are needed. Would you like me to check our availability and book an inspection for you?
No, that's all right. Thank you. Do you have a physical location by any chance?
Yes, we do. Our office is located at 28/135 C Macquarie Street, Penarith, QLD.
Well, really as easy as that. The next part, super easy. All you have to do is obviously just contact them, add this into an automation that just says, hey guys, I've set up an agent for you. These things are awesome. They're cool. They save you money. They work 24/7. How about you go try that and you link it up to a number? That's really as easy as that. It's made super easy, high level, some bit of ChatGPT, do a bit of Google stuff and they get the right business. But it's super easy to create these demos and these will be an actual sellable product. So once this client starts coming, I've made an awesome onboarding video. Make sure you go check it. It's one video back on my YouTube, but you can create these on autopilot and have a system created and ready to them to go within literally a day. So make sure you guys check it out. I hope you saw the value in this. The thing is, as agency owners, we really need to have a product that people can try. We don't want to spend a lot of time because you need to do a lot of outreach and doing these things exactly like this with the help of pre-made prompts, with the help of ChatGPT, just makes it super easy. So again, I hope you liked this. I hope you followed along. I think this is super valuable. We use this all the time and the mentorship program. So make sure you go check it out. If you want those free unlimited high level accounts, you literally can come in, sign up for 1 month, get your AI agency account, go ahead, get a voice AI prompt, change it up for the business. And all you have to do is one call, sell this for $5.99 a month, and you have covered off your ROI for the simple, easy, quick price. So hope you liked it, hope you enjoyed it, and we'll talk to you all later.